now show you how you prepare the inside of a back window to apply the window film. Inside the car already is my assistant, Sean. What he is now doing is off of the defogger lines. As you can see, he's going in a side-to-side motion. This ensures that you get all of the dirt off of the defogger lines. Because of the back of the tint being sticky, you want to make sure that you get as much dirt off as possible to ensure that you have a clean, professional job. After scrubbing the defogger lines and the edges of the window, he now takes his Blue Max squeegee and starts squeegeeing off all of the dirty water and dirt. Again, going from side to side, top to bottom, to ensure that all of the dirt is being washed down. It's very important to do this because once you cut that pattern and put it on, you do not want to have to take that piece of tint off because you missed dirt under the window. Again, cleaning this back window this thoroughly makes for a professional job. And that concludes the segment on cleaning the back window.